The government has remained steadfast in fighting corruption in the country. We are seeing some media reports saying, oh, we are losing this amount of money. But how are we doing it? First and foremost, it is on record that quite a number of public officials that have been found to be culpable, they have been forced to step aside. From CEOs of state corporations, chairmen of parastatals, even principal secretaries. That is on record. Secondly, we are putting in place measures to ensure that we remove the impersonal application of public policy by digitizing our systems. For the record, because of the digital superpower and creative economy pillar, we are now raking in more money through the e-citizen, to the point that now the monies that were being lost through leakages and seepages, now they are being centrally managed because of that program. Over 23,000 government services, and you are getting them online, and therefore we are even able to make even 1 billion shillings a day at times, and moving forward, so that then we are able to collect enough resources for our people. The other thing, which has faced some bit of resistance, is EGP, e-procurement, so that we remove that human interference. And it's being rolled out. There were some delays here and there, technicalities, but now ministries, departments, and agencies are able to actually, be able to procure, using that program. And it is very good, because then you don't have to pluck off other people's papers. You don't have to do it. And Cyril Wagude, the PS for procurement, has done a very good job so far, and the Ministry of the National Treasury in that regard. And of course, there is also this question people are asking of themselves, then what next? Certainly, we need to fight corruption, and that is what the government is doing at the source of it, so that then we collect the revenues as is, and also ensure that whatever we procure is as a result of what is required. So there is a very clear alignment within the e-procurement system of work plans that are already pre-agreed with specific targets to ensure that then people do not just, use public money as they so wish. And that is on record.